Hello guys, nice to meet you again. This is our third video on our YouTube channel. Today we present you another interesting item obtained with our CNC E-Mastertool machine, in this case working as a laser cutting machine. As always, you can find the link to the SVG file for this item in our description, and using your imagination you can obtain your dream finished product. Now you will see in our video that this item is a small part in a bigger assembly, a bigger finished product, which in fact it's a pool table, a billiard table, because our company is also designing and producing super nice customized pool tables. Now let's see the video for today, and let's see next week again with another video presenting another interesting item, and maybe later the first part of the presentation of our E-Mastertool CNC machine. Now bye guys, see you again next week.